How to download video from Pinterest. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can download video from Pinterest. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you open up Pinterest application and head over to the image that you wish to download, if you simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner, you'll get the option to download image. But similarly, in case of video, now remember this step, you wanna head over to the video and then you wanna tap on three dots option as well, but there is no any option to download. But here what you wanna do is now you wanna tap on copy link option and you wanna copy the link to the video. Then you wanna head over to your browser, any browser that you wish to, and then you wanna search in or type in download Pinterest video and search for it. You'll get various links, and very first link you can see Pinterest video downloader. You wanna tap on it, and once you tap on it, you wanna paste the link there that you copied, and then you want to tap on download and you'll be able to download the video. So this way you can download video from Pinterest. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.